Hey, it's Mike with DirtKiller.com, and it's that time of the month, well, the third Wednesday of the month, when we choose our monthly chemical sweepstakes winner. So let's just get to it. Everybody remembers, if you entered the sweepstakes, you have the option of winning any three of our 6 prime chemicals. That's 5-gallon buckets, one of each, one of 3 of the 6. And we will ship it to you so you can get to work and do some awesome exterior cleaning with your pressure washer. So enough of that. Let's just hit start with our random winner picker. Everybody's name's been put into this digital hat, as it were. Little JavaScript's running. We're going to let it run through a little bit, give everybody a fair chance at randomness. Let's do countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and